G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at June 13th, 2025's Fives Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of our subs here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? You're going to get several walkthroughs from me over the next 24 hours. I am recording this, which is the one that's on the schedule, and then I will chip in and get a couple of Clovers done because Clover's still, technically speaking, recovering from illness. And we're trying to, life is a lot easier if you take care of not only yourself, but your friends as well. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. You can also find us on GM Puzzles. Shout out to the GM Puzzles crew. Now, that being said, let's get into it. Now, this one's cheeky. So, this is our 5 Sudoku. Now, what does that mean? Normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, digits separated by a 5 either have a sum of 5, so in this example, 2 and 3, or they must have a difference of 5, so 3 or 8. That's it, really. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. Yeah, it's kind of crazy that that's it. That's all. But sorry, I've got the TV on silent in the background, and just I looked up and saw something that I couldn't explain. Yeah, words. How do words work? I don't know. But that being said, I'm gonna get into it now. Let's get going. Now, there is a bunch of freebies around the grid, so let's claim a bunch of our freebies now. So, 8 needs to have a difference of 3, 7 needs to have a difference of 2, 9 needs a difference of 4, 6 needs a difference of, needs a difference 1, meaning 1. Okay, now wait. And then 1 needs to sum to 5, and then over here, we do actually know which way that is, but I'm gonna get into that one in a second. So those are, oh, and these 2 7s both have to be 2. That's it. That's all we've got to start this one. Now, we could continue to fish around the bottom of the grid a little bit. We've got a 3 here, which means this has to be 2 and this has to be 7. This is a 1, 6. And then 3, where does 3 go in column 9? 3 has to go there. We have a 7 here. Oh, sorry. And the 6 here is going to unwind it for us. So that's 6 and 2. And that 6 both have to have 1 and 1. That's basically all of our freebies for this grid. But over here and over here illustrate the same point, which is going to help us get through the rest of this puzzle. So if you have 2 digits that do not share, that aren't across, sorry, 2 5s that are across different parts of the grid. So this 2 will need to be either a 3 or a 7, but if this was a 7, it would need to have another 2, which doesn't work for about 4 different reasons. So, key part here is if we have 2 5s connected, one of them will have to be a sum to 5, and one of them will have to be a difference of 5. So, this needs to be 3 and 8. Yeah. Now, where does 7 go in column 1? Must go there. Where does 6 go? Needs to go here. Now, 1 has to go there, so that's 1, 4, and 9. Wow, I think I'm actually solving this one in the way Clover intended, unlike the way I solved it the first time, which was I brute forced these 3 squares. This is a 2 5 pair. I don't really know enough else, but interesting. This can't be our sums to 5 because we have 1, 2, and 3 in the row, because 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. So this has to be a sum to 5, and because I've already pointed out that this can't be 1, 2, or 3, this has to be 4 and 1, meaning this is 6 and 1, and this has to be 9. So 2, 3, and 8 to place. 3 is the common digit there. 2 means that has to be 2, that has to be 8, which makes that 5 and 2. And this is now down here, 1, 4, and 6. 1 or 4 have to go in the middle. If 1 went in the middle, this would have to be 6. And we've got 2 6s looking at it. So that is 1, 4, 6. I think that's right. I hope that was right. I said that with so much confidence that I really should have double checked. Oh, I could just put the 6 there via Sudoku. Never mind. Alright, 3, 4, and 6. This cell sees 3 and 6 in the row. This is 6 and 3 going that way. 4 and 7. 8 goes there. 7 here. And 5 there. Yeah, that is all the variant done. Well, lovely. Alright, 7 and 8 over here. Don't have anything there. That's a 4 and a 9. 6 in row 4. 6 has to go there. This is 9 and 8. 7 and 5. 7 and 8. Naked 5 there. 9 and 4. 5, 1. 8 and 3. This has been 5 Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy, wherever you are in the world. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.